Hi there, it's Chef Mark Tafoya from Remarkable Palate Personal Chef Service in New York City. Welcome to the final episode in my Cooking with Chef Mark knife skills course. This is a series of videos that I made several years ago, and I brought them out from the vault to share with you now. If you want to hear the story about that, there's a handy video right here all about my former life presenting videos and how I'm reviving that now with this series. So you can check out the entire series. And for now, here's how you smash up and chop up and dice up garlic. Okay, so garlic is a beautiful, beautiful thing, and I'm going to show you some easy techniques for taking it apart and using it in your recipes. So you see we've got these cloves and they've got lots of paper. Now there's all kinds of devices that you can use to remove the skin from garlic, and there's like these rollers and these things, or you can buy it already skinned. I wouldn't do that. It doesn't take a lot of work. It's a lot cheaper if you buy them whole, and I'll show you a very easy way. So come on in here and see this root end is really the biggest thing. So you'd want to just cut through that, all right? And the real easy, fast way, give it a little crack there. I'm not going to smash all the way through that, just give it a little bit of a crack, and you see the paper, the skin, just comes right off. So I've got an entire, I didn't destroy that clove at all by doing that. I'll show you again. Slice the root end off, give it a little bit of a smash there, and then just pull the skin right off. So now if you don't need your garlic cloves whole like this and you don't mind smashing them up, we get to take a little aggression out. So check this out. Again, we're going to remove that root end, okay, and then lay your garlic clove down, take the flat end of your knife and give it a good smash, okay? We've just smashed it up, and this should all come off in one piece, you see? So you've got a little bit left there, but that's pretty much it. So I can give it another little smash as everything jumps around the table, and you kind of get, you're sort of already smashed, and now all you need to do is run your knife through it, and you've got minced garlic, and it is a beautiful thing. So you've diced your garlic, and now your recipe might call for a really finely minced garlic, or even better yet, like a creamed garlic. You really want the flavor of the garlic, but you want it to sort of disintegrate into the dish, so I'll show you how to do that. I've got some kosher salt here, and I just sprinkle a little bit on my diced garlic, okay? Now the kosher salt, if you take a look here, is large flakes. You see, it's beautifully large flakes, and that can act as an abrasive. So what I'll do is I'll just cut through it a little bit, and then I'm going to use the edge of my blade, and this beveled edge is really nice for this. I'll just pull it along like this, and as I said, that salt acts as an abrasive, and it tears the garlic up until I really get just a little bit of a paste. And then you just sort of keep putting it into its piles, and then here we go. Now you can really see it well, and you can get in real close there and see how I'm sort of, all my little pieces of garlic are just smashing up into a paste. And now that is going to go into a recipe and just disintegrate. And also you've got a little salt in there. You don't need to put your salt in. So there you go, garlic paste. I hope you've enjoyed this entire series of knife skills classes here on Cooking with Chef Mark. I'm producing new content all the time, and I'd like to hear from you. So let me know if there are some techniques you'd like to learn or particular dishes you'd like to learn. You can reach me on my website, remarkablepalate.com, and you can find me on any of the social media channels under Chef Mark. So I will see you next time.